creates diversity in design, attracting customers. The machine's flexibility and performance make the production process more efficient, helping businesses save time and costs. The dumplings with their white outer shell are truly a masterpiece of culinary art. The soft, smooth, bright white appearance of the crust creates charm and appeal to the enjoyer at first sight. Look at the carefully and delicately decorated cakes, giving the necklace a vibrant look. These colorful cakes are not only a food product, but also a stylish work of art. The olive tray sealer is not only an effective tool, but also a symbol of meticulousness and professionalism in the product packaging process. Seeing the machine in action, we cannot help but be amazed at the skill and precision in each movement. Are you impressed with the bright red color of tomatoes? The bright red color of tomatoes is not only a He put something special in this popcorn that was rare. Love. Skills and experience are essential when dividing dough for baking. She knows exactly the movements she needs to make. You have two ways to get rid of your overgrown ivy. The fabric is cut with incredible precision along the skilled hands of a master. A skilled worker holds the palm tree steady while the potter's wheel draws perfect lines. She thins vegetables so fast like the flash. Old chairs are given a makeover with this technique. Polyurethane was used to lift the concrete foundation. His skill is smoother than a basketball player's.
Carnatech Mural 2630 salmon fillet machine also has extremely high productivity and efficiency, bringing great value to the seafood industry. With apple calisters specially designed for handling wet products, this is the best machine for your pre-sizing operation. Due to the unique design of the clamp, it carefully removes dirt or water that affects the system's operation. Calisters is the quietest, most reliable, and product-friendly sorter on the market. This is how the workers here classify and package these beautiful yellow-colored apricots. Packing and wrapping asparagus and vegetables with this automatic wrapping machine is efficient and fast and contributes significantly to protecting the environment. The VersaPack vertical bagging and packaging machine is the most compact vertical bagging machine in the world. It is designed for manual or automatic loading. This bagging machine can be placed on any surface and package your products efficiently. Producing up to 20 bags per minute is an amazing machine, isn't it? This is a modern citrus sorting machine with the function of cleaning products before being sent to supermarkets. Dry ginger, a wonderful gift from nature that brings a warm, spicy flavor, dispelling the chill of winter.